Period, y'all. Welcome back to another freaking YouTube video. And as y'all can see by the title, this is a DIY pedicure at home, part 3, fall edition. Period. But we will go ahead and get straight into it. Whatever y'all use for y'all water is fine. But like I said, I always use my apple cider vinegar. So yeah, and then we just gonna go ahead and start taking this polish off. And yeah, we just gonna get straight into this video. Oh, and hold on. Make sure y'all leave a like, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so y'all can see every time I post a video. Like, it costs $0 to like my video, it costs $0 to share my video, and it also costs $0 to subscribe. So if you like coming to watch my videos, just leave me a like. For real, like, just leave a girl a like. That's all I'm saying, you feel me? But yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, y'all, I ain't even gonna lie, I did have a hard time trying to like get my ingrowns and try to make it so where y'all actually see me getting my ingrowns. So like I just had a hard time with that. So like the rest of it I had to like get off the camera so I could actually make sure I was like getting all my ingrowns. But I did do like another snippet. But I must say this foot right here wasn't as bad as my other foot. It was just like some slight ingrowns, but other than that it wasn't too bad.
And another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Alright, y'all, so just remember, anytime you're using light colors, just make sure you go over it like twice or 3 times just so it can get like a darker color instead of that very light color. So I did went over my polish twice before I put my clear polish on, and notice I only put my clear polish on the rest of my toes except for my big toe, because my 2 big toes I'm gonna do the designs on first and then I'll put my clear polish on. But period, let's get into these designs though. Periana. Alright, y'all, so all I did is just pretty much take my nail brush and try to like outline the pumpkin. I was gonna shade it in with the nail brush, but it wasn't working out. You know what I mean? It definitely wasn't working out for me. So I just pretty much used the brush that came with the orange polish, but filled it in with that, and then I pretty much took my black outliner polish and outlined it so it can of course look like a pumpkin. And by the way, if you don't got any green, all I did was mix blue and yellow and made green. Like, certain polishes you don't got and you can probably mix colors to make that polish, you might as well do that. The fuck, don't waste no time going to spend no money. But yeah, I was gonna do like a brown little stem for the pumpkin, but of course I already had my nails painted brown, so I was like, I'll just do green for the stem. And if in this video y'all see that I had a different design in the first beginning, it's because like I didn't like the design afterwards, y'all. So I ended up just changing it to a football, and which y'all will see in a few. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, I know it's about to the end, so just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications. And if you definitely enjoyed this DIY pedicure at home part 3 fall edition, please leave a like. Okay, leave your girl a like. And I love y'all a long time, and I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Periana.